Oh, what's that? Okay. Okay, Jimmy. Now I'm gonna use this to get to the back of your teeth.
Drill? Oh no, don't use the drill. Stop squirming, Jimmy. Let the dentist get her work done.
It's not a drill. They're dental tweezers and they don't hurt a bit. Okay. Wait a second. Is that the gummy bear? No.
Hey, don't throw that away. I was saving that for later.
Okay, Jimmy, you're all done. I'm happy to report that you have no cavities, but I want you to start flossing twice a day.
Yes! Passed with flying colors. Acquitted on all charges. Best dentist appointment ever. Hey, can I keep Mr. Bear? See, Jimmy, the dentist is nothing to worry about. And you can never take too much care of those chompers. Isn't that right, Doc? Now who's next, Ellie?
Actually, you're up next, Coach Rocco.
I just had a checkup.
2 years ago. You're overdue.
Take a seat, Coach Rocco.
You want to hold Mr. Bear? There must be some mistake. My teeth are fine. Here, watch me take a bite of this apple. Ow!
Come on, Coach. You have to get your teeth checked twice a year. Let's be a good example.
Yeah, Coach, like you said, you can never take too much care of your chompers.
Wait a second. I think I see what's going on here. Coach Rocco is scared of the dentist. Don't be ridiculous. I'm not scared of the dentist. Ah! Coach Rocco!
Okay, Sparkle Squad, if you want to help Coach Rocco get his checkup, then give me a big thumbs up. All right, guys, I think I have a plan. Follow me. I heard him come this way. Yeah. Coach, I know you're in here somewhere. Come on, let's get this over with.
I knew people were scared of the dentist, but I never had to chase anyone around before.
Come on, Coach. All right, I guess we're gonna have to do this the hard way. You know, Coach is a total neat freak. He's always in here constantly cleaning. So if we make a mess, I'm sure he'll come out.
Oh, so you're saying I should take all the dirty dishes out of the sink?
Oh, good one. Maybe I should put some of this garbage on the counter.
Oh no, I knocked over the water bottle.
Uh-oh. Come on, Coach. This place is so messy. Oh yeah? Are we gonna have to kick this up a notch? All right, I'm bringing out the sticky stuff. Whipped cream.
You can't have whipped cream without sprinkles.
Oh my goodness.
This is way more fun than giving checkups.
Come on, Coach. You know what? I think we're gonna need the pièce de la résistance. Eggs. Now it'll be super, super messy if I crack all these eggs all over the counter. 3, 2, 1.
No, wait, stop, not the eggs. Please, anything but the eggs. Just please stop making a mess. You win.
So you'll do the checkup?
Yes, anything you want.
Okay, great. I can do it right here. I have my tools already.
All right. Before you begin, could you just clean this up first? I can't relax in a messy kitchen.
Okay, fine. We did make this mess after all, but then no more excuses, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. But please start with that whipped cream. It's making me nauseous.
All right.
Wow, you know Coach Rocco really well.
Yeah, you know, there are just some things that work all the time. And you always have to be one step ahead, right, Coach? Coach? Coach?
Ellie, it's okay. We can just do the checkup another time.
No! We are doing this checkup today. If it's the last thing I do, I'm gonna get Coach in that checkup chair.
And done. If anyone can catch Coach Rocco, it's me, the smartest kid in school. And this new plan may be my smartest one yet. Step 1, leave a trail of popcorn leading to the couch. Check. Step 2, put on Coach Rocco's favorite cartoon. Check. And step 3, Leave out a large glass of iced coffee and the rest of the popcorn here on the table waiting for him. Once he comes in, he'll smell the smells wafting into his nose and he won't be able to resist. It'll lead him right to the couch, where we'll catch him and bring him to the dentist. By my calculations, he should be here in about 10 seconds. This is gonna work like a charm. What is this? Popcorn! A trail of popcorn. If it's one thing I've learned in life, a trail of popcorn always leads to more popcorn. Ooh, and iced coffee too. And I love this program, that silly dragon. Look at that kid. Yeah, get him! Get him! Get back here!
All right, Coach Rocco, come on. Oh, you got your tools?
Already. This will be so fast, Coach Rocco.
It won't hurt a bit. Jimmy, where's Coach Rocco?
Beats me. You got the wrong guy.
Yeah, that's for sure. Oh, this will be the last time, I promise. Come on. Coach.
Well, no use in letting this go to waste. Oh, dragon, you've done it again. I can't believe that my TV popcorn plan didn't work.
Yeah, and my messy kitchen plan didn't work either. And I can't think of any more plans, so Coach Rocco might just have to get away with this.
Is this a common occurrence around here?
What do you mean?
I mean, do you guys always have to come up with crazy plans to get Coach Rocco to do things?
Yeah, duh.
Like, what else do we do? Oh, funny running into you here, Coach.
And I see you're still enjoying my popcorn. Okay, I give up. Dentist, please help my tooth, it's killing me. Ow!
Oh, yeah, you sound bad. Here, let's take a look.
Ow! Please tell me you can help my beautiful chompers. I think it's this popcorn that's making my tooth hurt.
Okay, give me the
Ow!
Coach, no more popcorn.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Listen to the dentist, and time will just fly by, okay? Just relax.
Okay, let's see. Okay, I see the problem. How much popcorn did you eat?
A lot?
Yeah, this is gonna take a while. You two might want to step out.
Oh, okay. Bye, Coach Rocco. Good luck.
Here's Mr. Bear if you need him.
Don't leave me!